Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is the April edition of You Beauty box. So just open it up, and as you can see there is all of the items, including the little information booklet that comes with the April edition of the 2017 You Beauty box. Okay, so let's just have a look at this, the little magazine. And so it has a competition with it this month. It says have your say and be in with a chance of winning a luxury You Beauty box goodie bag. As a thank you for your time, we promise it won't take long. We will randomly select one lucky winner who will receive a bumper bag of beauty goodies worth £100. So all you have to do is visit box.you.co.uk and have your say. So that's it there. Right, okay, so let's just crack on with it. Right, okay, so first item is this one, which is the coconut and almond butter. And so it does say pip and nut coconut and almond butter squeeze pack. Pip and nut all natural coconut almond butter is made using only natural ingredients with absolutely no palm oils or refined sugars. Doesn't tell you much about it realistically, but that's that. Okay, so we're moving on to the next item, which is the Balm and Balm lip balm. So, which is here. That's it there. Let's see, that's it there. So it's a tea tree lip balm. And let's just open it up and let's have a look. And oh yes, it does really smell of tea tree oil. So I'll show you the substance of it. It's a clear substance. And you can definitely tell there is a tea tree oil in that. So that will be quite good for your lips. And okay, so it doesn't tell me the RP price of this, but I think that's a sample size. I don't really know. Okay, so that's that. And it's 100% organic. And it's a multi-purpose lip balm. So I suppose you could put it around your face, and tea tree oil is really good for cutting down your spots, if you know what I mean. So that's what tea tree oil is really good for. Okay, so moving on to the next item, which is going to be, let me find it in here. Right, okay, it's the organic lip crayon. Now this is a really nice colour pink, and that's it there. Okay, so it's 100% organic and it's PHB, and that's it really. So yep, so that's that. And the next item I got, which is makeup wipes. I'm just trying to find. Is that them? No, it's green tea. I'm just trying to find the information on them. Okay, so here it is, right, so it's the green tea aloe vera cleansing wipes, and that's them there. And okay, so that's them. I don't have any more information on them. Alright, okay, so moving on to the next item, which is an Ever Calm Ultra Comforting Rescue Mask. This is like a moisturising cream, but you put it on for 15 minutes and you just wipe it off, and it leaves your skin feeling really moisturised. And so just trying to find it again. I mean, I could give you all the information on it because I've already used this product before and it is really good. Okay, so that's that, and it's only a sample size. It's in this month's box. Right, okay, so moving on to the next item, which is the hand cream Marigold Comfrey, and that's it there. Just see if I can open it up. And have a look at it. So just ripping the box. I think this might be a full-size item in the box. Right, okay. I'm just going to have one of those as well, isn't it? Yeah, lipstick's gone everywhere. Right. So, you see, it's like a moisturising hand cream. Oh, it's a lovely smell. I love that smell. You definitely smell like marigolds, flowers, and all of that sort of stuff with this. It really is nice. And I'm just going to use this on my hands all of the time because I love the smell of it. It's like really fresh, flowery smell. Okay, so that is the end of my review for the YOUBEAUTY box April edition. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching.